name is Master Ringo and I live in USA, local USA, in United Squatters area. We are poor but we are happy and people live there are very kind and very friendly. So let's start our journey. Our first destination of our journey, ma'am, of course, Manila Cathedral. That is the second oldest Catholic church in the Philippines and it's built in 1581. First church made by nipa and bamboo. And the Manila Cathedral, guys, is 7 times destroyed by fire, earthquake, guys. Total Intramuros, guys, is a Spanish word, and Intramuros means intra is inside, muros wall. It means inside the wall. And Intramuros is the first in old Manila. And we have 27 historical places in Intramuros. So, and Intramuros is 64 hectares, and the wall is approximately 4.5 kilometers. So, you can visit the Intramuros.
Ayun na po, sir.
Earthly view of the treasury. Okay? Yung mga natin souvenirs saka yung mga ay sumasok ka mo. Oo, ma'am. Bongbong Marcos, our 17th president
17 na pala
of
siya.
the Republic of the Philippines. Gusto pong malaman yung second question, ma'am?
Sige, sir.
So, sino-sino po yung 17 na yun in correct order?
Ayan ang hindi ko sigurado.
So, babanggitin ko, ma'am, bilangin mo, ha?
Sige, sir.
In correct order, ha? So, of course, our first president of the
Aguinaldo,
Republic of
syempre.
the Philippines, of course, Emilio Aguinaldo. Second, Manuel Quezon.
Quezon.
Third, Jose P. Laurel. Fourth,
Makapagal.
no, sir,
Garcia.
Osmeña,
Ismelia.
Sergio Osmeña, Manuel Rojas,
Rojas.
Elpidio Quirino, Elpidio Quirino, Ramon Magsaysay, Carlos P. Garcia, Diosdado Macapagal, Ferdinand Marcos, Senior, Corazon Aquino, Fidel B. Ramos, Joseph Estrada, Arroyo, and Pinoy, Duterte,
Ayun,
and
Pinoy.
Bongbong. They
Kalimutan
are
ko
the
si
17th President of the Republic of the Philippines. Correct order, mama. Guys, Manila, before only rich people and royal blood can live in Casa Manila. So let's go to Casa Manila.
Hindi, sige po. Ayos lang po yan.
Paano tayo sa loob eh?
Sige po.
So right now, guys, we have a heritage restaurant inside the Casa Manila. That is the original Filipino-Spanish restaurant, ha? Ma'am, pwede mo book ako. Ha? Sa pangalan nila sa akin. So let's go. Right now, guys, we have a hotel inside the Casa Manila, that is White Knights Hotel. So, let's go. So guys, the original Spanish house. For only rich people and royal blood can live in Spanish house. This is the original Spanish house, Casa Manila. Pwede mo magpapasok sa museum at can take video,
Ay, hindi pwede.
photo without flash, ma'am.
Hindi na po. Sige, sir.
Okay,
Kung anong kaya niyo lang. Sinasagad ko lang din pagod ko.
Yes! Sulit naman yan, ma'am, promise.
Opo. Thank you.
Sulit yan. Guys, our next destination is one of the very interesting place in Intramuros. So come on, let's go. So guys, if you want to go to Casa Manila Museum, you have to pay ticket for 75 pesos. So, but in the museum, the regulation of museum, stay in the red carpet.
Ito na po yung museum.
Hindi po.
Hindi pa po.
So, you can take photo but no flash. Video are not allowed inside the
Video
museum.
na. Pupunta na po tayo museum.
Hindi po, wala pa tayo.
Wala pa. Sige.
Wala pa tayo. Hindi na po tayo punta. So, a bike made of bamboo. Original bamboo, no? So, but right now, this area, ma'am, is used in a wedding reception, party, something like that. So, after you buy ticket, so we have to go to the Casa Manila Museum, which are in the Philippines. That is a convent of San Agustin before. Dito po sinubing yung pulang araw mo. Of course, kung nag-release mo, ha?
Yes, sir.
Pakita mo yung our spaghetti cable, only in the Philippines, ha?
Sige po, susubukan ko.
Meron nga pala dito mga pero hindi pa naiikot ng buto, sigurado, dahil napakalaki ng ito ng buro. At mamaya pupunta tayo ng Chinatown, ha?
Sige po kung meron pa akong battery.
Oo, sige. Hindi, pagka wala kang battery, you will use e-bike.
Pakasingilin mo ako sir na mahal
Basta 200 tayo mga every half an hour, yun lang po yun. So, guys, our spaghetti cable, only in the Philippines, ha? Morning, Father. You also Roman Catholic. Ma'am, almost 90% of our population in the Philippines are Roman Catholic because of the influence of the Spanish. Okay? Of course, the others, ma'am, our Muslim brothers, Jehovah's Witnesses, and so on.
May isang daan pala ako dito sa ano guys. Wala akong trabaho.
So, guys, the oldest Catholic church in the Philippines. It's built in 1571. It's almost 460 years. This is the one and only structure survived during the Second World War. They damaged but not destroyed. And our conquistador, Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, the founder of Manila, was buried inside this church near an altar the left side. Guys, the San Agustin Church, they have two towers before. The other one tower is destroyed by the earthquake 1574. And that wooden door is original made of Spanish during 15th century. So guys, this is the World Heritage Site, UNESCO. And this is also a wedding capital of the Philippines. So let's go. By the way, guys, they call it Ferrari, 1 horsepower, ha?
Kasi isa lang yung hours.
Alesa. Of course, guys, Philippine ice cream. They call it dirty ice cream, but good.